In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best camping cookware sets in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The MSR PocketRocket Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove Kit includes everything you need to cook for 2 people while backpacking. This set includes one 2-liter aluminum pot, 2 deep bowls, a strainer lid, 2 12.5-ounce insulated mugs, 2 folding sporks, and a stove. You'll have to pick up a propane canister to power the MSR PocketRocket stove, but once you hook it up, it can bring a pot of water to a boil in a mere 3.5 minutes. All of these items nest snugly inside the pot for easy carrying, compactly fitting into the 5.5 by 6.25-inch space. BPA-free plastic is used for the bowls, mugs, and sporks, which helps keep the whole kit at only 1 pound, 10 ounces. It's incredibly lightweight and exactly what you would want to have with you backpacking. Though it's a great idea to have foldable, lightweight sporks to go backpacking with, these might be flimsier and more prone to breaking than other options. You should definitely throw a few extra utensils in your backpack. Number 4. Planning a handful of upcoming camping trips and want to go all out on your fireside meals, then maybe you're ready to invest in a top-of-the-line cookware set. Not only does it have you covered in the cooking department, but also the eating department, with insulated mugs, with tops and sleeves, bowls, and plates. Plus, they all come in a variety of colors, which is not only visually appealing but a great way for everyone to keep track of their own items. The stuff sack can double as a washing sink. The anodized aluminum pots are food safe, durable, and easy to clean, plus they heat evenly and quickly. The folding and removable handles lock easily, and when you're done using them, you can easily stow them away for easy nesting storage. This set is probably too large and heavy to take backpacking, but it's a great option for car or RV camping. Number 3. This stainless steel set for 4 people has everything you need. Not only does it have a pot and pan, but it includes a cutting board, utensils, bowls, plates, and sporks. A dish drying rack also makes for an organized cleanup station. The 18x8 stainless steel heats evenly, is super durable, and cleans up like a breeze, plus it's totally fine to use it over an open flame. The efficient nesting makes this set incredibly easy to pack on a trip where you might be a little pressed for space. This set can easily accommodate 4 people, though it can support a bigger crowd, if necessary. The pot, which is nearly 4 quarts in volume, is equipped with a vented lid for simmering items. Reviewers love this set for their family camping trips, and many people love the curved handles and how easy and comfortable they are to hold. Number 2. If you're ready to take your camping cookware setup to the next level, this set is going to get you there. The non-stick coating is perfect for frying eggs and searing steaks, plus you don't have to worry about a difficult cleanup. The hard anodized aluminum surface is extremely durable, scratch-resistant, and non-reactive. The set stacks up super easily, making it a compact addition for backpacking or car camping. Not to mention, the sack that it nests in can also double as a sink when it's time to rinse everything. While it doesn't include plates, bowls, or utensils, this set has you completely covered in the cookware department, and it can support large groups of people. Includes 5-liter pot, 3-liter pot, 9-inch fry pan, 2 nylon strainer lids, a cutting board, a folding pot handle, a waterproof welded stuff sack. Number 1. First thing you notice when you pick up the Stanley Adventure, even Heat Camp Pro cooks it, is its weight. While this is a negative for anyone shopping for a backpacking pot, car campers and overlanders will appreciate this virtually indestructible set. This included the connection between the handle and the pot, which is a weak spot for several other sets in our test. I was unable to make a dent in the Stanley Adventure handles, which bodes well for its long-term durability. There were also no plastic pieces on the pots or frying pans, another common fail point of camping cookware. Another benefit of the Stanley Adventure's heavier build is that the Cookset distributed the heat well during the cook and burn test. It cooked the mixture of rice, eggs, and cheese evenly across the bottom of the pan. Unfortunately, the lack of a non-stick surface made cleaning sticky bits off the bottom of this pan just as much of a chore as the other stainless steel options. Something else I liked about this set was how it packed away. When nested together, the collapsible handles of the saucepan and frying pan nested inside of the soup pot, minimizing the likelihood of these movable parts failing in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.